Stinky. He doesn't like stinky smell coming from garbage. Poop of cat have a stinky smell. Whimper. He starts whimpering in bad situations. Why she is whimpering? Dig. He digs a hole in the ground. The dog is digging a hole. Shivering. It was so cold that I was shivering. She was shivering with fear. Waving. He began waving his hand to greet me. I was waving my hand to my friends. Sniff. She sniffs everything before using. Dogs can easily sniff their food. Dive. He tried to escape by diving into a river. I am best at diving. Tedious. Doing work late at night is a tedious activity. It was a tedious journey for me.